Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Messenger QR code. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to simply open up Google Play Store. So after opening up the Google Play Store, simply search for Messenger. So after searching for Messenger, you have to just simply open up the Messenger in the Play Store, and here you have to select this one and click on install if you have not installed yet. If you have installed, make sure that you are using the latest version of Messenger. So for that, you have to just simply open up Messenger. So after opening up the messenger, now you guys can be able to see that there is a chats are visible because I have already logged in with my account. If you are not logged in with your account, make sure that you are logged in with your account. So if you are unable to log in with your device, you have to just simply make up or sign up a new account. So after signing up your account, you have to just simply go to the top left corner of three horizontal lines. So after tapping on these three horizontal lines, now in every of the mobile phone, you will be able to see the QR code at the top right side of that, but here you guys will be able to see the only settings option. So you have to simply hit the settings, otherwise you have to simply hit the QR code button. So after hitting the settings, now here at the top right side you will be able to see the QR code button. I don't know what problem I'm facing here. Right now I'm unable to see the QR code button here, but you will be able to see. If you are unable to see that, you can also find it here, but I don't know what happened to my messenger right now. That's why I'm not able to see any of the QR code option. But you have to simply open up the QR code option here and simply hit the reset QR code option in the QR code section. So after tapping on that reset QR code, your QR code of the messenger will be changed. In this way, your QR code is access to those people will be expired and new QR code will be assigned. So in this way, you have to simply change the messenger QR code. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.